The Bitcoin Secret: How the Bitcoin Tokenomics Blueprint Will Lead to the Play-to-Earn Revolution. The spark of the revolution. The play-to-earn revolution starts with Bitcoin. To understand the future of gaming, you first need to understand the tokenomics of Bitcoin itself. Bitcoin, the original game changer. Bitcoin is the first digital asset to truly model scarcity. There will only ever be 21 million Bitcoins. That maximum amount can never be exceeded. It's built into the code. New Bitcoin is created through mining, but with a twist that changes everything. The power of the halvening. Every time half of the remaining Bitcoin is mined, the Bitcoin reward for mining is cut in half. This is called the halvening. It means every cycle, Bitcoin becomes harder to acquire, scarcer by design, and more valuable as demand grows. This system transformed Bitcoin from worth less than a penny to over $125,365.99 at its all-time high as of October 4, 2025. Scarcity and halvening are the forces that made it happen. True rarity creates value. Now imagine if games modeled their economies the same way. Instead of infinite gold farming or endless wood gathering, every material would follow the halvening logic. When half of the stone or wood or iron or gold is gathered, the drop rate is cut in half, then again, and again, infinitely. The result? True rarity. And with true rarity comes true value. The World Vault. Gaming's Bitcoin. Here's how it works in a game world. All base materials, wood, stone, gold, monster hides, herbs, metals, are stored in a live on-chain world vault. When you harvest, they come out. When you craft, build, smelt, or enchant, those resources aren't destroyed. They go back into the vault. This creates a circular economy, where the world never inflates infinitely, but resources still flow naturally through use and recycling. The circular economy of rarity. Unlike Bitcoin, which only has mining, games have both mining and infusion. Materials can be harvested from the vault, but when consumed, they return to the vault. That means games can last for decades without ever collapsing into infinite inflation. Every sword, every potion, every building is tied to real rarity because the materials that made them exist only in limited supply. When base materials become harder to acquire, their value goes up. This doesn't just make crafting valuable, it makes everything you build, every weapon you forge, every armor piece you enchant, part of a system of rarity. It mirrors the Bitcoin model of scarcity, but applies it to every corner of the game world. Why this is the play-to-earn revolution. This is the future of play-to-earn. Not fake economies where you buy tokens on exchanges, but true scarcity, modeled after Bitcoin, where players earn value by playing, gathering, crafting, battling, and trading those scarce assets with each other at prices they decide. Follow for more blueprints. Follow Shadowthorn Studios for more insights on the future of tokenomics, blockchain economies, and the next generation of play-to-earn games.